You know what it is. Remix time. Subtron. You already know what to do. Let's get into this. I gotta make a part 2. Why, you may ask? Because my second recording did not work, so I couldn't show you the full breakdown. But if you saw the part 1, seeing the raw version, that's very helpful. I'll start doing more videos like that from scratch. You guys can see everything. But you guys have to understand that it's a lot of trial and error. You go back and forth and keep fixing until it sounds perfect. But you can see my workflow in the previous video. Otherwise, this video is going to be about actually showing what I have right now. And I have a pretty good sound. I just want to show you it's not finished, but it'll be close to finished here soon. First off, drop. Now I'm using the original. If you see during the drop, I have an EQ, and the EQ is just making sure that the lows are gone easily. Now, I liked these sections. If you listen to the full song, it sounds like this. So that's the original. So I like these sections. And then I grabbed this section from another part. And with the EQ, we took out the bass, and then I added my own bass right here. Sub shot. And then a regular sub at the beginning of the drop. So I'm adding my own sub now because I took out the sub from the original song. There's one kick, and this is basically like the fake drop. And then the drums start right here. Easy rhythm combo. I actually got the snare from... I got one of the SUBTRONICS snares and used it for the snare. I'm going to EQ it though because I still hear some. There's still some bass in there, so we'll fix that real quick. My full snare sounds like this. There's a lot of layers. A triangle, a regular snare, a snare, snail, clap, and then the SUBTRONICS snare. Easy. We got some rides. Easy rides. You already know. Okay, cool. So then, as soon as this happens, then it's my turn to start writing some basses. If you see in the previous video, you saw how I started with it, but then I basically chopped up the basses to make it sound like this. So we're adding these spaces to add more rhythm and add more bounce. Listen here. Now I also grabbed a part of the SUBTRONICS, like listen to this, one of the a bass from the SUBTRONICS song. So as soon as every time this bass plays, it already sounds like it's part of the original song. So it flows really well when you add it on top of your original sounds. And look at how it's laid out. So after it's my turn, so then I add my bass. And then that's basically the call, and then I'm responding with the bass from the SUBTRONICS song. Adding these zaps, you know, just to add flow and rhythm. Add the nice flow and rhythm. Okay, and then you can listen to this. It's a really gross bass, trip yoy. I messed with the wavetable position and FM from B a lot just to tune it to my liking. And then I added a second layer, which is just all the mids turned down, sides turned up, and it's a wide layer. Together they sound like this. And then I have another one, which is the same exact patch, but just a lot more OTT. It's basically untamed. It's just disgusting. Doesn't even sound good, but in the mix, it just sounds like a distorted, funky bass time. It's crazy. Yeah, with the distortion, it's crazy. Okay. Now, of course, you have the wide boy, which is basically just like the bass, the B-A-S-E of the song. It's like in the background, just holding that wideness and holding that deepness. This is my signature bass right here. I love this, baby. So in this section, it starts to play the quarter note. And then I just go back to regular and I chop it up. If you look over here, it's delayed 4/4, just to add some gangsta delay. In this section, I left these snares because it sounded cool. I just chop up the fills, basically. I'm just chopping up the fills of the original song because they just sound so cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Making remixes are fun, and you guys should start doing them more because it's game time. Hope you enjoyed this. Remember to like, subscribe, show me some love, hit me up in the Discord. We can talk. Otherwise, stay fresh, keep it real, and peace.